So how-to guides, a lot of people in this audience are probably very familiar with them. They're one of my favorite pieces of content to create. I really love informative educational content. So you already know probably that how-to guides are essential for helping prospects solve issues or learn new skills. But again, it's key to not overload them with information. And using interactive elements can turn a simple guide into a dynamic learning tool that prevents that information overload we're trying to avoid. So at Markup, our middle of funnel content is designed not just to showcase our value, but also to guide users down a product-led growth funnel. And the goal is essentially to encourage users to be more active, to subscribe to our paid plans, and overall just to progress in their buying journey. So our interactive guide, How to Markup Anything in Markup, caters to both novice and advanced users, offering step-by-step instructions tailored to their needs. So it not only illuminates Markup's capabilities, but also fosters wider adoption by demonstrating how users can comment on things like websites, PDFs, videos, and images. That's a big issue sometimes we run into. People tend to think that our product is only for commenting on websites or something like that. And a piece like this is really helpful because it shows that you can actually do a lot with it. So it's really great for getting people to that aha moment. So throughout the article, useful links and call to actions to relevant tutorials encourage further engagement with key features. And this really helps progress users from that initial awareness of Markup's capabilities to a more active utilization of the platform. And our guide is organized into distinct sections for each markup type, and content is split across pages for easy navigation that doesn't require that lengthy scrolling we were talking about earlier. And as you can see, these sections are also enhanced with a lot of graphics, a lot of GIFs that really vividly demonstrate Markup's functionalities. One thing I did want to call out, although gating content isn't part of our strategy at Markup, Ceros does offer this capability. And gating educational content midway instead of at the beginning gives viewers time to get invested in what they're reading, which might make them more likely to complete your form. So to continue to monitor these engagement levels, you can also look at metrics to see where readers might be dropping off, which will give you those insights into making your content more effective. But yeah, this guide is one of my favorites, and I love showing it off.